All right, so number 7, this one says researchers wanted to determine if there was an association between daily cantaloupe consumption and the occurrence of high blood pressure. The researchers looked at 94,630 women and asked them to report on their cantaloupe eating habits. The researcher also determined which of the women had high blood pressure. After their analysis, the researcher concluded that consumption of 2 or more servings of cantaloupe per day was associated with a reduction in high blood pressure. So we're going to complete parts A through C. So first, we want to know what type of observational study this is. Cohort study, it identified the groups of individuals to participate in the study and observed over a long period of time. Cross-sectional study, all the information about the individuals was collected at a specific point in time. So it looks like a cross-sectional or controls case study characteristics match. So we asked these people to report on their habits, so we're not doing it over a period of time, but we asked for the information at a specific point in time. All right, B. What is the response variable in the study? So response is what are we looking to make a prediction about. So we were looking to see if it had some occurrence with high blood pressure. So the response variable is whether the women has high blood pressure or not. The response variable is qualitative. That A looks good. Number of individuals, nope. Consumption of cantaloupe, nope. So the response, what we're looking to get a response from is the high blood pressure. All right, so what is the explanatory variable? So in this study, we're using the cantaloupe consumption is to explain high blood pressure. So explanatory variable is whether or not the woman has high blood pressure, the consumption of cantaloupe. B looks good. Number who participate in the study, the number who participate in the study. No, so it's going to be B. It's going to be our best choice. And then part C. In their report, researchers stated, after adjusting for various demographic lifestyle variables, daily consumption of 2 or more servings was associated with 30% reduced prevalence of high blood pressure. Why was it important to adjust for these variables? So researchers wanted to ensure that the study was representative of the entire population. No, the researchers wanted to ensure the sample was large enough. No, we got a large enough sample, which we'll talk about that later on. Researchers were sure that various demographics lifestyle had greater influence on than daily consumption of 2 or more servings. The researchers may be concerned with confounding, which occurs when the effects of 2 or more explanatory variables are not separated, or when there are some explanatory variables that were not considered in the study. So D is going to be the reason why we want to underestimate. There could be other things. There could be, genetics. There could be a family history of these things. And so there's a lot of other things that could affect this. And so in order to be careful, confounding is the thing that we want to underestimate in the case that something else is driving the change.